guys, same tools. Today I'll be showing you how to do a donut pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. So there's 8 steps in solving the Rubik's Cube. So first, you need to bring down, you can put it on any side that you want. I will choose green. And so what you want to do is you want to bring the middle of the side that you're starting with down, and then you move the middle any way that you want, and then you do it again. And then it should end up like this. And then to solve it, you go with any side you want. I'll choose green. You look at the centerpiece, the middle piece of the piece that you're gonna go with. Then you bring that color with it from both sides. And then with these two sides, you would want to look on both. These two sides, you would want to look. If you flip it this way, you would want to look at this thing. But this is orange, so if you look on the opposite side, there's red. If we bring that to the red, it should be a line. And then here are the 2 rows for the other red. So you just align it with that. And then we have the green here. So you just need to bring it down. And that's how you solve the donut pattern. So that's how you do the donut pattern. Bye.
Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for